I'm back. Did you miss me? Because I missed you guys. So keep on watching to see how I transform this wig into this low hairline bridal hairstyle. So if you love it, please keep on watching and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
It's my life. Lazy, 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 lazy. It's my life. I got dirty, 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 dirty. It's my life.
Hello from my beautiful model. So this look is a bridal inspired hair and makeup. So I went ahead to put on a wig cap on her and I darkened the wig cap so it won't the color of the wig cap would show underneath. I went ahead to clean her skin off with wipes, and as you can see, this is an old wig, meaning I have used it multiple times. Yeah, whenever I'm doing like bridal collaboration, I mostly use my wig. This wig was wigged and customized by me, and I really like the way the low hairline has been, trending few months now, even from last year. If you see me pointing at that middle spot, that is where the middle of her forehead is, which is in between her nose. I always do this process to use my concealer to line the lace so that I won't put the glue where it's not supposed to be. So the glue I'm using is Sweet Fig, and I've had it for almost like 5 6 months, and the glue is actually really good. I've been enjoying it so far. And yeah, I use only one layer for this installation because if you have not watched any of my frontal installation videos, I'll put in the link in the description box down below. So feel free to go watch it and comment. So yeah, I use only one layer and clean the concealer before I place the lace on the glue. As you can see, the glue dry clear, and yeah, just make sure that the glaze is directly on the glue. It's better for you to go back and put like a little glue than for you to be struggling to clean a glue after you've placed the lace, because trust me, trying to maneuver your way around cleaning a glue when installing is like the most tedious thing ever, and it just makes the installation look very tacky and not so neat. So yeah, rate my low hairline installation, guys. What do you think? And hope you guys have not forgotten that I'm a hairstylist, so I am available for booking. Book me for your shoot, your wedding. Yeah, can you see how cutesy, how demure, how elegant the installation looks? Oh my gosh, like I wish I could just carry the hair and put it on my head. The melting band has this effect of just laying the wig properly, making sure that the glue sticks to the lace, and I like to press it down just so that the glue can adhere to the lace more. Yeah, the model felt that. Yeah, guys, what do you think? The installation looks good so far. So I'm always using my Ebony Wonder melting spray because I mean it works for me all the time and I can't complain, to be honest. So after putting the melting spray, I am going to make sure that there's no hair. There should be no hair poking out. Every hair should be in the right place and at the right time. All right, thank you very much. So I'm gonna head to use my comb. Guys, I don't even want to talk too much. I think the video is self-explanatory. So I'll just like add a cool music so you guys can enjoy while you watch the video, because honestly, I'm not a fan of people talking too much in videos, especially tutorial videos. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. Did I eat the installation? And the makeup artist Zoralty Beauty, by the way. Please follow her on Instagram at Zoralty Beauty. She's also on YouTube as well at Zora. Sorry, I'll just watch the video and check the description box because every detail of my page and the makeup artist would be in the description box. Are you seeing how that lace melted? Ah, guys, let's just moving on. Okay, bye.